Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Microsoft account on your PC or laptop. Okay, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. And once you're in here, go to the URL box. Now type in signup.live.com. All right. Once that's done, just hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Now in here, just go ahead and go to the email box. Now in here, just go ahead and type in the email address that you would like to use. For example, my Gmail right here. Okay, once that's done, just hit on next. Wait for it to load. Now, as you can see here, it will need a verification code. Okay, all you have to do is just go ahead over to the email that you have entered right here. As you can see, you should receive the same exact email. Okay, it says here, verify your email address. Here's the code. Double click, right click, copy. I'm going to move this away. Then right click and just hit on paste right here. Okay. And here it will need your country and region, also your birth date. Okay, just enter your birth date and hit on next. Wait for it. Now go ahead and add in your first and last name. Okay. Untick this one if you want to. If not, just leave it as is. Okay. Hit on next. Now just follow the simple verification right here. As you can see, it just says press and hold. So I'm just going to press and hold. Follow the instruction to verify that you are not a robot. Okay. Wait for it. And once done, just hit on OK. Now, if you want to create a passkey, you can go ahead and hit on next right here. But for now, I'm just going to hit on skip. Wait for it. If you want to stay signed in, just hit on yes. If not, just hit on no. Okay. If you want to add your phone number, go ahead and do so. If not, just click on X for now to close this prompt. And here you have your dashboard. Okay. You just created your Microsoft account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.